everyone, my name is Ksenia and welcome to Ksenia's Englab. Do you know what we call this in English? Any idea what we call this? Today I'll teach you the names of 5 household objects that you won't find in your textbook. Let's get started. The first one is a calendar. Let's say it together with me. Calendar. We use it to rinse vegetables or drain water. After I boil the pasta, I pour it into a colander to drain the water. Let's now move on to something cozy. This comfy seat is called a bean bag. Let's say it together. Bean bag. I like to sit on my bean bag and read a book. Next up is a very useful item in the kitchen. Look at the picture. We call it a ladle. Let's say it together. Ladle. She used a ladle to serve the soup. Like many other words in English, this one can be used as a verb, which means that it can show action, like in this sentence. She ladled out hot food for the homeless. Let's move on to the next item on the list and look at the picture. We call it washing up liquid. Let's say it together. Washing up liquid. I used some washing up liquid to wash the dirty plates. In the USA, people use a different word for this thing. Can you guess it? In the USA, people say dish soap. The last item on the list is a duvet. Let's say it together. Duvet. On cold nights, I like to sleep under a warm duvet. In American English, people pronounce this word differently. They say duvet. Let's say it together. Duvet. Let's now review the words. I'll show you a picture on the screen, and you have to say the word in the picture and you have to say it out loud. Are you ready to start? Then let's look at our first item. Do you remember what we call it? That's right, it's a calendar. How about this one? Do you remember the name of this thing? Correct, it's a bean bag. Now let's look at this thing. What do we call it in English? That's right, it's a ladle. Can we use it as a verb? Sure we can. Now let's look at this thing. What do we call it? Correct, this is washing up liquid. And what do Americans call it? They say dish soap. And finally, let's get to our last word, the one that has a really strange pronunciation. Look at this picture. What do we call it? Correct, that's a duvet. And how do Americans pronounce it? They say duvet. Great work, everyone! That's all for now. Subscribe and hit like if you enjoy this lesson. I'll see you soon.